Let me shift focus now and take you to Karnataka because disturbing developing story is emerging. There are sexually explicit sexual harassment videos that have gone viral online. It includes one JDS Hassan candidate who's been an incumbent MP, Prajwal Revanna, who's from HD Devegoda's family. These are sex abuse allegations against him. He's the grandson of HD Devegoda. Prajwal Revanna, along with his father HD Revanna, have been booked for allegedly sexual abuse of the women staff members who were working for the family. There's been now an official police complaint also that has been filed. A 47-year-old woman who used to work as a domestic help for the family has come forward. She's alleging that there has been years of sexual abuse and harassment by the father-son duo. So not just by the MP, but by the father as well. Karnataka government, which is ruled by the Congress party, has ordered a special investigation team probe, following which Prajwal, we are informed, has fled the country. He's left the country already. He's not in India right now after the Hassan polling. The FR that has been accessed, with the details that we have accessed for now, it appears to say that Prajwal Revanna allegedly assaulted the woman victim in the storeroom in the house and instilled fear, threatening all the female staff members. Most of them, remember, are poor women. In this complaint, the victim has claimed that Prajwal and his father Revanna used to sexually assault women workers at their home. According to FR, this did not end there. After the woman was assaulted and abused repeatedly, Revanna called up the victim's daughter and tried to send explicit messages to her also. So this clearly has led to a political showdown, apart from the disturbing details emerging. The Congress has launched a series of scathing attacks at BJP JDS over their silence on this Prajwal controversy. Congress party has accused them of endorsing, allegedly, a sex offender. The party has further questioned who aided his escape from the country while there were these serious charges developing, and they are suggesting a conspiracy behind it. But amid all of this, JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy, who's again also the son of H.D. Devegoda, has made a significant statement. He claimed BJP wanted to drop Prajwal Revanna as a candidate, but ultimately it was H.D. Devegoda who made the final decision to stick with him, saying that it looks likely that he will emerge victorious. This comes after BJP leader Devaraji Gowda revealed BJP had prior knowledge of Prajwal's alleged misconduct but ignored the warnings.
मैं पूछना चाहूंगी अभी जो है ये प्रज्वल रेवन्ना जो है वो जर्मनी चले गए, जर्मनी भाग गए. आपको क्या लगता है कि पूरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की गलती है इसमें?
नहीं, हमारा गलती नहीं है, वो हमारा पार्टी नहीं है, वो तो जेडीएस अलग पार्टी है. हम लोग का क्या है और एक सीरियस इश्यूज क्या है, उसको प्रज्वल रेवन्ना वो डिस्क्वालीफाई किया, वो इलेक्शन केस में है. वो मैं उसका सामने केस लड़ाया था, उसको मैं पिटिशन कर दिया था. मैं तो पिटिशनर है. प्रज्वल रेवन्ना का अपोजिट इलेक्शन पिटिशन में मैं अपोजिट कैंडिडेट है, मैं पिटिशनर है. 2019 वो इलेक्शन में वो तो कन्विक्ट हो गया प्रज्वल रेवन्ना को, वो डिस्क्वालीफाई हो. इसका बाद वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में आके स्टे ले लिया. उसका परिवार का पूरा ऊपर का पास एचडी रेवन्ना, उसका फादर एचडी रेवन्ना और एक एमएलए ए मंजो और एक इसका ब्रदर है सूरज रेवन्ना, ये 4 आदमी को डिस्क्वालीफाई किया. इसका रेवन्ना का बूथ कैप्चरिंग में मिनिमम 3 इयर्स मैक्सिमम 5 इयर्स कन्विक्शन हो गया, जेल में जाना पड़ेगा. उसको बचाने के लिए तो मोदी जी का पास आ गया वो लोग.
ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತೇನೋ ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಬಿಜೆಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ನ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನಿಜ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಬಟ್ ಫಾದರು ಮೊದಲೇ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅವನ್ನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಸರ್ಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಬಾರಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಪ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಗಳದ್ದು ಬೇರೆ, ಅವರು ಈ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರು. ಬಟ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರೇ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು.
So Karnataka Congress in charge Randeep Surjewala spoke exclusively to India Today television over these allegations that have erupted on JDS's Hassan candidate Prajwal Revanna. Listen in to what he said.
This is a classical case of extreme sexual depravity. These are sexual predators who are roaming around with active protection of Modi government. Tell me, Mr. Modi the other day went and campaigned on the stage holding hands with Prajwal Revanna and his father. Despite the fact that a year ago, 6 months ago, 3 months ago, not us, BJP leaders had gone to Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah and said all these illicit videos of extreme sexual depravity, rape,